Tony here, 456 Chevy Trucks LLC, Kansas City, Kansas. Hey, Paul Fontenot came up to pick up his 66 today. Heading back to Ville Platte, Louisiana. Got him all loaded up and leashed down. Hopefully they have a safe trip back. Got her all spit shine standing tall. Unfortunately, I'm thinking they're going to get some bugs on it headed back to Louisiana, but weather's supposed to be nice from here to there, so hopefully God will bless them with some good weather and safe journey. Got their nice new GMC Texas Edition Sierra. Gonna bring her back, bring her home. So leaving 456 Chevy Trucks LLC, Kansas City, Kansas for the last time. Headed back to Ville Platte, Louisiana. Be safe, keep on trucking.